Hello guys, now we are in the class 6 exercise 1.2 question number 1. Here the question is, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So here, before solving this question, we assume you sold suppose 1 ticket on first day. On second day you sold 2 ticket. Third day you sold 2 ticket. Fourth day you sold 3 ticket. So suppose someone asks you how many ticket you sold till now. You will simply do addition. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. One more example. Suppose you have 1 pen and later on you got 2 pen. Again you got 3 pen. So someone asks you how many pen you got. So your answer will be 6. So in such a case we simply do the addition. Got this? So in this question we will do the same thing. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. So here they have mentioned number of tickets sold at the counter on first, second, third and fourth day. So here we write tickets sold on first day. How much tickets sold? 1094. Then same statement you repeat. Here I am writing directly second day. You write ticket sold on second day equals to 1812. Then same way you write third day and final day means fourth day. They have given first, second, third and final day. Final day we assume fourth day. So on third day it is 2050 and fourth day means final day it is 2751. So in this case you write total ticket sold. Total tickets sold means you will simply do the addition of all the values. Whatever the values are there, that you simply do addition. So now we start the addition. So their values are 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. So these are the values. Simply do addition. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Here 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 10 20, 2 carry here, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So our answer is finally got we 7707 ticket sold. Okay, so this is our answer. In such a case you simply do the addition. Now we go on the second question. So in second question they mention Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in the test match. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Suppose you are giving exam and in exam, after examination, at the time of result you got to know you got 4 mark. Okay, total mark is 10. Out of 10 you got 4 mark, but your wish is to get 10 mark, means out of mark you want to get. So as you got 4 mark and you want to get 10 mark, so what is the difference between these two? How you will calculate? So you will simply do subtraction and you just need 6 mark to touch into the 10 mark. So this same logic we will apply in this example. So they have given the information about the Shekhar. He has score, you can write here Shekhar has scored runs equal to 6,980 runs. Okay, he has scored, and he wished to get required runs equals to whatever the statement is there. You can design by your own also. So Shekhar, he means Shekhar wished to get 10,000 runs. So here you can write how many more runs does he need. So you can write required runs equals to, required run equals to, here you directly do 10,000 minus 6,980. So here now we start the calculation. 6,980. So here in the minus, 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 9 0, here 9 minus 6 3. So here our answer is 3020. So 3020 runs that Shekhar need to achieve the 10,000 runs. So here you can directly write 3020 more runs. Then after that we go to the next question, question number 3. In the election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes, and the nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Suppose A and B, two candidates are there. A got 5 votes and B got 2 votes. So definitely A won the election. By how much? How many votes they won the election? Just by 3 votes. How you calculated? Just 5 minus 2. So required answer is 3. So the winner won the election by 3 votes. So same logic you apply in this question. So here in election you can write successful candidate register votes equal to 5,77,500. So this is the successful candidate vote, and then his nearest, you can write here, nearest rival secured votes equals to 3,48,700. So they are asking what margin did the successful candidate win the election. So you can write margin of votes equals to. So the greater value is 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. So these two, subtraction operation will be applicable here. So 5,77,500 minus. So here you have to do subtraction. Here 15 minus 7 is 8, and then here 16 minus 8 is 8, 6 minus 4 2, and here 2. So answer is 2,28,800 votes. So they are asking what margin did the successful candidate win the election. So the you can write here the successful candidate won by 2,28,800 votes. So this is the question number 3, and I hope you understood this tutorial. Thank you.